Want to install Blackmagic camera app, then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily install the application on a device. First thing first, move into your app store. In the address bar, you need to search for Blackmagic camera. Move into this app. Now tap on Get at the very top. Click on Install. Simply enter the password of your Apple ID. Once you've entered, tap on Sign In. Now you need to wait for a while for the application to be installed. Once it has been installed, you will see the option of Open. Click on Open in order for you to open the application. Well, you have landed on the home page of Blackmagic camera app. Now you can use this application as per your need, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.